In this video, we will show you master the art of creating professional looking do's and don'ts slides to clearly comparisons and contrast. So let's start. Click on right button, go to format background, select color, go to insert, click on shapes, select rectangle, drag it, size 1 cm and 26 cm. Click on gradient fill, adjust stops. Select individual stops and choose a color. Shape outline, make it no outline. Duplicate, reduce the size. Then align center. Group them. Go to insert. Click on shapes. Select rounded rectangle. Drag it. Size 16 cm and 25 cm. Drag the yellow dot to the left. Shape outline, make it no outline. Select color from shape fill. Click on right button, send to back. Duplicate the shape. Size 14 cm and 23 cm. Select color from shape fill. Select both. Align center and align middle. Go to insert. Click on picture. I have downloaded a picture from Google. Select it and insert it. Cut the picture by clicking the right button. Again, click on right button. Go to format background. Click on picture or texture fill and insert picture from clipboard. Select all and group them. Go to format, align middle. Go to insert, select text box. Write do this here. Select and pick a new font for your text. Make it bold. Increase the size. Go to insert, select text box. Here we write adding different information, for example. Select all and increase size. I am copy the icon from the previous slide and paste it here. Duplicate the slide. Delete this. Write don't do this here. I am copy the icon from previous slide and paste it here. Here we are adding different information, for example. Select everything, cut it and paste it back and adjust. Go to transition, select push. Go to effect option, select from right. Increase duration. Go to first slide and click on slideshow. So, see friends, if you found our video helpful, then do subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. See you in the next video. Thank you.